Hello everyone, welcome to the texturing part. So in this tutorial, we will apply a texture to our object. So to do that, we need to select our object and go to the shading editor. Then we don't need this UV grid, so I will delete it by selecting it and delete in the keyboard. So I need to add a wood texture, so I will use a CC0 textures from ambientcg.com. You can go to the website and download this wood texture, and you can find the link in the description down below. So if you want to work with automatic adding textures, you can just grab and drag and drop your texture maps to the shader editor. But in this tutorial, we work with Node Wrangler. So if you have not Node Wrangler enabled yet, you can go to the edit preferences and enable it in the add-ons tab. So this add-on is provided with Blender, so you can enable it freely without any extra money. So now I need to click Ctrl Shift T to add the texture maps. So I need now to go to this folder called textures and go to this wood called wood 051 4K GPG and go here. I will make the display mode thumbnails. So I need to select these four maps, which is normal, color, displacement, and the roughness. So I will select all these, control and select all these like this, and principled texture set. As you see here, we have a texture setup. So with the Node Wrangler, we have an easy workflow. So as you see here, we have a clear rotation. I will show you that in the references. As you see here in our reference, that the rotation of the wood is in the right way as our object in the 3D viewport. So we are in the right way. So we don't need to fix the rotation of the wood. Just we need to fix the scale, because I think the scale is very big. So I need to add an input value like this. Go to Shift A, add input and add value. So now I need to plug this value to the scale, and maybe I can take the scale to the 3 like this, and as my reference, I think 3 is appropriate to our real references. So now I need to change in the color of our texture. So I need to do some hue saturation value in the color base. So to add that, I need to go to color, then hue saturation node, and I need to add some color correction. So to make it black, I need to decrease a little bit in the value and make it maybe 0 to make it totally black as the reference. So this is everything according to the texturing part. So it's an easy part. Just add third-party textures from ambientcg.com and play around with the shader editor. So this is everything in this video. I hope you like it. If you like the content, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next part. Salam.